Alkaline, you say come. Alkaline. 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 If you're ready for Alkaline, say yeah! Say yeah!
I'm mad from Buckler 1990. Alkaline with a post wall. You hear that?
Turn on your cell phone. Get your Instagram ready. Get your Twitter on.
What's in the
Right to that tune, I the girl them time. The song make them white and pretty. But watch out. The girl them. When you see them boom boom go down to scream. What do you do like that? I told you from this. You must see all this. Anyway.
Bumbo clot.
Bumbo clot, yeah, aye. Yo, what else you doing? Yo. You ready, let's go. Ladies, I wanna fuck you. Children, fuck you. What I'm fucking fuck you, baby. Fuck you, Pinado, Pussy. Whatever they love, put them. It's filthy. This is not something where you feel like and push it in and come to Rasta. So we got to like run faster. I do not make a judgment. So be a bit of a matter, so much to be right. If I'm not rascal, I get close to all your son. Ladies, I wanna fuck you, baby. Caquito, Pinado, Putinero. Feel lucky. Si ever keep ready, pussy, feel the gun. Because I get up when you in your shots, huh? Yeah, then you hold on. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? In a real life. What else would I prove? Yo, what give me? Jump it. Quick. What up? You have some guy. I post for all. The man I see them all. And the man never yet put them up on Instagram. And the girl never show them position. Scream. From your wife. You are wife. You don't know my story. What I said? You see when you're hot, when your blood clot hot, you have holy packeters. Yeah, you cannot taste to the fuck you. You see through your body good up and thing. Some touching that back by you. You know what they do? Hey, but your mother got things that doors and The ladies, they're out. I don't know the thing better that day, I know. I will transfer the girl.
Where?
No. Ladies, can I do that? Can I transfer the girl? Alright, give me everything. Let me see what I can do. So can't take the glass, everybody in the dancer. And the girls don't tell them no. Everyone come on, take the glass. What's that saying? In the dance, don't pass off, you go, you find space. You get the one, you be on the fucking kids, that's how Mr. Racing, you'll make a chance. Go pan your head, pan it up. Alkaline up here, so I kill his mistress. Get a level, top, ring, she a show. So get it, big everybody in the dance, I want you to you're not too clear, oh, no, take me the last rock, take me the last. Yo, I like this girl. Hi, baby. You want to come to house? Take her, yes. Come on, baby. Captain, go ahead. Let's go. Watch your style out. You want to show them say you can't dance too? You want to show them your skills? Well, don't pull it up there. Play back the the second one. I want you to, you're going baby? I want you, don't be shy. I want you to break out for them. You can do that for me? Huh? I'm ready for it. Ready? I want me ready. Come in and then. Ladies are doing to sing no. Sing that one.
So I fuck some girl in the night, you hear that?
Everybody say, move over. your stuff, that does me only. Love your cook feel like David, but you that's only. One of my friends know you want me honey. If you don't believe I'm still there, Kelly. Alright, sunshine will be the light. So, lay down, down, down. From now on, you can touch me down. Me love it. Out. Who's fighting? Kick them out. Whoever fighting, kick them out. Believe me. I already heard them when I say that man a Batman. Give me some signal. Look here, oh your mother or your friend are warning about the boy. You just love a Batman for. Don't you?
Some money, bomb buckle out there.
What about say it's all about money right now, no? Ladies, it's all about you right now. Listen to the dogs and I love you. Dogs, wanna see if the girl won't get you with it, take it. I worry myself. If she don't want to do the thing now, next year she will do it. Take a step a little time. That's all I go. Already go, Corey. Everything in life was next time. Last year she said she not so happy. Just a little time in the time. We're alright. You need me to pump up and be like, Things step a little bit down. Hold on. Hold on.
We now can't call we a drink milk
Let me
for
hear
you
the
know.
people in the place.
Pick up all of you them in the guys.
Who represent you?
Buckler.
Look at him. Never
All of you know hard life. Come see the under here. All of you know hard life. And no matter what, you're not sell out. And when your hand full up, you're one of the blood clot feet. Remember? Take this in America, the podcast still really want to know. Everything go back. You never have money in passport, you want to rise in the building. We not sell out. We not fish out. For every day, our life so fucked up. So what we ever do? You can't tell us up. We can't even know we can't be sent we back away. We really want it. Look, see, not for me, suffer a long time. But we never give up, we never stop trying. How we living in the perilous time? Line a lead like oh, when these things set away. Nobody no take the feel away. But so we want a house and care, but I the prison not the earth. So worrying every day, my life so messed up everywhere. Really want to know, never know. Bumbo God, we will hard our week and you want to be and we say we got power. Hold on. I don't know what's in the building. Should not go on. First of all, should not go on.
Big up all black youths who want it. And now blood clot sell out. You hear that?
Hold on, sir. Anybody in here missing somebody? A relative? We're not together. We are here orange. For a friend or family passing down.